Hi everyone, Rob here with Sennheiser. In case you missed the EWDP feature overview, be sure to check it out after this video to get even more info on the series. Today, we're here to talk about an exciting new addition to our growing family of Evolution wireless digital products, the SKP plug-on transmitter. You've probably seen these before, as plug-on transmitters are a staple for journalists and those working in the field of electronic news gathering, or ENG for short. But they're equally at home on the end of a boom pole to give you freedom of movement, flexibility, and convenience when it comes to setup and breakdown on set. This makes the SKP an extremely useful addition to your kit, as it can take your favorite wired mic and easily make it wireless. This is particularly useful for content creators that are using cameras that don't have XLR inputs, but want a convenient way to get high-end condenser microphones like the MKH416 or MKH8060 connected to their rig wirelessly. But there's even more hidden under the hood, so let's take a quick product tour and check out some of the features. The SKP plug-on transmitter can be attached to any XLR microphone and is securely connected with its locking collar. It can be powered by 2 AA batteries, which will get you right around 7 hours of runtime, or with the BA70 lithium-ion battery pack, which provides up to 12 hours. As an added benefit with the BA70, you'll get an exact readout of remaining runtime in hours and minutes on the receiver, as well as in the Smart Assist app. Now, some plug-on transmitters only work with dynamic microphones, but if you flip over the SKP, you'll see a 48-volt phantom power button. This allows you to take advantage of higher-end condenser microphones like our MKH416 shotgun. It's good to note, however, that battery life will vary with phantom power engaged. You can expect around 4.5 hours with AA batteries and around 6.5 hours with the BA70. Like all transmitters in the EWD family, the SKP also features remote sync via Bluetooth Low Energy. So just a quick tap of this button will automatically sync your transmitter to your receiver. There's also a mute switch that you can disengage via the receiver or the Smart Assist app, just in case your talent accidentally left it on. Here's where things get a little more interesting. Built into the SKP transmitter, there's an onboard recorder to capture your audio right at the source. Insert a microSD card, press the record button, and you'll have a backup recording just in case any issues arise further down the chain. Rest assured that the same technology that allows us to remove the gain staging from the transmitter also ensures high dynamic range recording without the fear of clipping your signal. For added flexibility, the SKP also features selectable 24-bit or 32-bit float recording options. There's one more feature to share, and it's something that makes the SKP an even more versatile tool to have as part of your kit. We've included a 3.5mm mic input with a locking connector, so you can plug a lav in when the situation calls for you to be hands-free. And if you'd like to attach the transmitter to your talent, make sure to pick up the optional SKP pouch, which has an integrated belt clip and will protect the SKP whenever you're out in the field. Just a quick note here that whenever you're using the 3.5mm input, it will take priority over the XLR connection for both the onboard recorder and transmission to the receiver. All these exciting features mean you'll also see changes to our Smart Assist app. These updates will enable you to remotely start or stop recording, adjust low-cut settings, engage phantom power, get an overview of your recordings, format your card, and more. The SKP plug-on transmitter is compatible with our entire family of Evolution wireless digital products, including EWD, EWDX, and of course, EWDP. It's available for purchase separately if you'd like to add it to your existing setup, or grab the EWDP ENG set, which includes our EK portable receiver with all mounting accessories, SK body pack transmitter, ME2 omnidirectional lav mic, and the SKP plug-on transmitter. So, to wrap it up, the SKP plug-on transmitter is an extremely versatile addition to our Evolution wireless digital family. If you're looking to elevate your content and make the move to digital UHF wireless, this is the way forward. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment below. Our team is standing by, ready to help you capture the best sound possible. We'll see you next time.